Peter Lynch, born in Newton, Massachusetts, on January 19th, 1944, is an American investor and philanthropist celebrated as one of the most successful money managers in Wall Street's history. His tenure as the manager of the Magellan Fund at Fidelity Investments from 1977 to 1990 cemented his legendary status. After graduating from Boston College in 1965 and serving for 2 years as a lieutenant in the U.S. Army, Lynch earned his MBA from the Wharton School in 1968. The same year, he married Carolyn Hoff. He began his full-time career at Fidelity as an analyst, a position he secured after caddying for the company's president during his college years. The Magellan Fund era. In 1977, at age 33, Lynch took charge of the Magellan Fund, which at the time held just $18 million in assets. Over the next 13 years, he produced an average annual return of 29.2%, more than doubling the S&P 500 index, and making Magellan the top-performing mutual fund in the world for his entire tenure. By the time he retired in 1990, the fund's assets had swelled to $14 billion. Under his leadership, a $1,000 investment in 1977 would have grown to $28,000 by 1990, and at its peak, about 1 in every 100 Americans was an investor in the fund. Investment philosophy and strategy. Lynch's investment approach is rooted in value investing and is often summarized by his famous mantra, "Invest in what you know." He argued that individual investors could gain an edge by focusing on companies and industries they understood from their daily lives or professions. Key principles of Lynch's strategy. The PEG ratio. Lynch is credited with inventing and popularizing the price-to-earnings growth PEG ratio. He sought undervalued stocks by comparing a company's price-to-earnings PE ratio to its growth rate, favoring companies where the growth rate was higher than the PE ratio. Long-term focus and 10-baggers. He championed patience and a long-term perspective, believing that stocks should be held for years to benefit from compounding returns. This approach was tied to his search for 10-baggers, stocks with the potential to increase tenfold in value. Strategic diversification. While a proponent of diversification, Lynch warned against diversification, his term for over-diversifying a portfolio to the point that it dilutes performance without meaningfully reducing risk. He believed that adding your 50th best idea to a portfolio was unlikely to improve it. Pragmatism and humility. In 2023, Lynch candidly expressed regret over missing opportunities, stating, "Apple was not that hard to understand. I mean, how dumb was I?" And also lamented not investing in chipmaker NVIDIA. Authorship and philanthropy. Lynch co-authored 3 best-selling investment books: One Up on Wall Street, 1989, Beating the Street, 1994, and Learn to Earn, 1995. One Up on Wall Street alone sold over 1 million copies, and his works have been translated into more than 25 languages, with One Up outlining his theory and Beating the Street detailing its application. Since retiring at age 46, Lynch has dedicated himself to philanthropy, which he views as another form of investment. He remains vice chairman of Fidelity, where he mentors young analysts. Through the Lynch Foundation, he and his late wife Carolyn have supported education, healthcare, and cultural organizations, backing groups like Teach for America and Partners in Health. His contributions to his alma mater, Boston College, have been transformative. Major gifts include a $10 million donation in 1999, after which the college named the Lynch School of Education and Human Development in his family's honor. a $20 million gift in 2010 to create the Lynch Leadership Academy for school principals, a 2021 donation of his family's private art collection, 27 paintings and 3 drawings, including works by Pablo Picasso and Mary Cassatt, valued at over $20 million, plus a $5 million grant for its curation at the college's McMullen Museum of Art. Additionally, Lynch has helped raise over $365 million for the Building Minds Scholarship Fund, which provides scholarships to students in Boston's Catholic schools.